it's me, Bella, and look at the beautiful view. Guess where we're going?
The
beach.
Because it's a big
Say hi. Yeah, I got Aiden from Karate Pro 2008 from Instagram. I got you in the frame. Lizzie's here. Nick's here too.
But he doesn't want to be
Yeah.
able to.
Yeah. I didn't just drop you. I just dropped my phone. So we're heading to the beach right now, and it's pretty nice. I'm pretty bored.
Yeah, I think we've been riding for about an hour.
I know we've been in here for like an hour.
And we've done nothing but listen to music.
Or we've literally done nothing but listen to music. So I'm gonna give you some view because like the view is really nice right now. So right now, hi.
Hi, get your finger out of the way. Hi there, welcome to Chili's. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Would you like this overrated apple juice?
Sure. How much is it?
No, Bella, watch. Wait, Bella.
Wait, are you doing the Brent Rivera thing?
Yeah.
I don't know how you kept them on that long. Huh? I don't know how you kept them on that long.
Now do a dance.
Your nails.
Brent Rivera does that. Okay, well, anyways, back to the view. It's really nice. Okay, look at how fast we're going. I know, it is beautiful.
So she's
When I'm with my baby.
Like, look how pretty that is.
this one is gonna pop off.
I've been filming for a minute and I'm bored. Oh, I got cut right here. Oh, do you like my 4th of July nails? Happy 4th of July if you celebrate it. So we will check back in at the beach.